If you're new to this channel and you've come here because of the ZZR 1200, you might not know about this bike. So this is my BMW K100 from 1988, and it looks a little bit different to how I first bought it. So originally, seat frame came to about there. I've cut it all off, put the seat unit on, put the belly pan on, the air filter, put K1200 injectors in it so it's a little bit quicker. But I built it about 2 years ago and I was never really fully happy with it. I don't like the way that the seat just ends there, because originally I wanted it a little bit shorter, so I cut the seat before I put it on the bike, which is a mistake. When I painted the bike, I didn't let it cure, so there's areas where the paint was just not very nice, so I want to redo that. And also I just want a colour that's going to stand out a little bit. I want something that's just going to look really different. I mean, this bike already looks so different to most things you see on the road, but I want it really different. So you can see here where I put a touring seat on it that I made, it's rubbed all the paint away there, so it looks rubbish. Paint drip on there where I put petrol in the tank and it just dripped down. There's damage to the seat here. So yeah, it's just little bits. It's not huge, but it's just little bits I just want to tidy up. So I'm going to paint it. It's going to be very different. It's going to really stand out. I've got the paint already from a bobber project I was going to do. So yeah, I think it's going to look really nice. So yeah, watch this. So now you join me in my paint booth, which is just a very small shed, which I'm kneeling down in because there's not even enough room to stand up. And I've just tarped it up. I'm going to spray a bit of fairy liquid and water down just to keep all the dust and stuff at bay. I've already prepped a few little panels and primed them, so I will get them painted first, and then once I've got them painted, because the area I'm working in is really small, I'll put them on the bike, and then I'll take the tank and the seat unit off so I can paint them in here. Because last time when I did it, I put everything in here, I was painting it, stuff would fall over, stuff would get knocked, and it was an absolute nightmare. So now I'm going to paint it properly in a really bad environment and hope it comes out better than it did last time. Fingers crossed. Right, I'm masked up. Let's get a little bit of paint on and show you guys what this is going to be. Getting that primer down. There's a little sneak. So now the tank's drying, I can put the seat on the bike, make sure I'm happy with the final position, and then I can get it all prepped and ready for paint. Now, how is that for something different? How good does that look? Honestly, I cannot believe how well that has come out. The vision in my head was great. This is even better. So here it is. Let me know what you guys think. Personally, I think it looks absolutely incredible. I've made some subtle changes, but I think it makes all the difference. So I've got an original 80s K100 tank pad. So, rather than bar end mirrors, I've gone from sort of like a standard mirror. And then I've also changed the headlights to a twin headlight setup, which I think looks really cool. Even without a fly screen, I think it looks pretty good. Also, not put any decals on this bike. Apart from the BMW badge, I used to have the 88 on there because the bike's built in 88 and I was born in 88, so it's kind of like the bike's number. But yeah, personally, I think it looks really good without it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think.